Hello everyone, I am Richa Gaur from Quick Maths. Exercise 9.3, question number 5. First part, add. Add P minus Q. We have to do addition, so I will put plus sign. Q minus R plus R minus P. So it will be, now these are three terms in the expression. Plus will will denote how many terms it has, plus and minus. Now if we separate the terms, then we are having three terms. We will solve the all three terms one by one. Now first, in first term, using distributive law, p will get multiply with p first and then with minus q. So p will multiply with p, this one, then minus p will multiply with q. I am not writing the sign of multiplication, but obvious, if there is no any sign, it is a sign of multiplication. Plus q will multiply with q will multiply with r, plus r will multiply with r, minus r will multiply with p. Here I will also put the sign of multiplication for your sake of convenience. It will be easy to understand. Just a minute. P multiply p and p multiply q. Now in this case, p multiply p, power will be added, it's p square. It will be pq, it is q square, it is qr, it is r square, it is rp. So the answer will be p square, q square, r square minus pq minus rp plus qr. It is plus qr or minus qr, sorry. It is minus qr, not plus qr. Minus sign is here, na? Just a minute. Yes, it is minus qr. So this is the required algebraic expression after adding three terms. Now come to the B part. The B part is add 2x z minus x minus y plus, because it is a case of addition, so I will write plus here, z minus y and x. Now here we are having two terms. First term is this and second term is this. So in this case 2x is at outside, so using distributive law, 2x will multiply first with z, then minus x, then minus y. So I will write 2x multiply with z minus 2x multiply with x, again minus 2x multiply with y, plus 2y multiply with z minus 2y multiply with y, and then minus 2y multiply with x. So it will be here 2xz, because all are unlike 2xz, minus, now x being multiplied with x, so it will be power 2 xy plus 2xyz minus 2xy square minus 2x square y. So in this case we can write 2x square. Yes, this is 2y square. It is not x, it is multiply. Just a minute. I am considering it wrong. It is multiply, not x. So it will be 2yz. It is multiply, so it will be 2y square. It is 2y square. It is 2yx. Now 2x here. Yes, using this it is minus 2x square minus 2y square, then xz. Yes, minus 2xy plus minus 2xy and then again minus 2xy. So it will be 4xy. It is minus 2xy, this one. This is minus 2xy, this is minus 2xy. So it will be 4xy. 4xy. Now plus 2yz plus 2xz. So this is the required solution of second part. Now come to the third part. Third part is a subtraction case. Now he is saying subtract this expression from this. Obviously from this means it will come first. So we will write 4L 10N 3M plus 2L minus 3L L minus 4M plus 5N. It will be subtraction case. Now again, minus sign will indicate that how many terms this expression has. It has two terms. So in first term, using distributive law, 4L will multiply with this, this and this. So similarly, 4L multiply 10N, first case, minus 4L multiply M, then plus 4L multiply with 2L, then minus, because minus is here, so I am using a bracket. 3L multiply with L first, then minus 3L multiply with 4M, then plus 3L. I am using the sign of this bracket only. I am not using the sign this, because minus I am hearing here I am writing this minus sign. So 3L multiply 5N. Now it will be 4 into 10, 40 numerical coefficients will get multiplied. Ln minus 4Lm plus 8L square. Now minus. In the bracket it is 4L square, because L multiply with L, it will be L square, minus 12Lm plus 15Ln. Now after opening the bracket, there is minus sign, so the sign of each and every term will get reversed. 40Ln, 4Lm plus 8L square. Now first term is positive in the bracket, so while opening it, it will be negative. Second is negative, it will become positive. It is positive, so it will be negative. Now solve it. Find the like terms, 40Ln and 15Ln. So it will be 40 minus 15Ln. Now 4Lm and 12Lm. So it will be 12 minus 4 and Lm is common. Now 8L square minus 3L square. It is 8 minus 3 and then L square. So it will be 40 minus 15. Then obviously 40 minus 15 means 25. 25 ln plus 12 minus 4, it is 8 lm plus 8 minus 3, it is 5 L square. So in the form of degree, means highest power, if we write, then according to this is a standard form of equation, 8 lm plus 25 ln. So this is the required algebraic expression that we got after subtracting two expressions. So this is about the C part. Question number 5, the last part, D. Subtract this expression from 4C minus A plus minus B. So we will write 4C minus A plus B plus C first and then put the minus sign. Then bracket start, 3A plus B plus C minus 2B A minus B plus C. Now we have these three terms. Now three terms are here. We will open it using distributive law. Distributive law says that 4C will get multiplied with all the three terms one by one. So it will be 4C multiply with minus A plus 4C multiply with B plus 4C multiply with C. Now minus, bracket start, 3A will multiply with A, B and C one by one. So 3A multiply with A plus 3A multiply with B plus 3A multiply with C. Now it is not bracket here, minus, it is small bracket we can apply, 2A multiply 2B multiply with A, and in this minus, I am considering just the in between sign of bracket. I am not considering this one. 2B multiply with B plus 2b multiplied with c. Now it will be this one 4c multiplied with minus a, it will become minus 4ac plus 4c multiplied with b, it will be 4bc plus it is 4c into c, so it will be c into c means c square. Now minus and bracket. We will solve the bracket first, then apply the sign. Now 3a multiplied with a, it means 3a square plus 3a multiplied with b, that is 3ab plus 3a multiplied with c, that is 3ac. Now minus and bracket, curly bracket, 2ba. Now minus, it's 2b multiplied with b, it will be 2b square plus 2bc, curly bracket, and then close. So it will be minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square, and then this will be 3a square, 3ab, 3ac. Now this is a minus sign and this one is a curly bracket. When we will open this curly bracket, because there is minus sign before this bracket, so the sign of each and every term inside the bracket will be changed. As 2ba is positive here, so it will become negative. 2b square is negative, it will become positive. 2bc is positive, it will become negative first. Now again, for square bracket, minus is before the bracket, so while opening the square bracket, each term inside the bracket sign will be changed. As this is minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4ca. Now 3a square is positive, it will be negative. 3ab is positive, it will be negative. 3ac is positive, it will be negative. 2ba is negative, it will become positive. 2b square is positive, it will become negative. 2bc is negative, it will become positive. How we can apply this? Because plus minus is minus. Minus is outside, so it will change the sign of each and every term of all the terms within the bracket. Now we will find out the like terms. First of all, AC. It's 4AC. I am using the white pen, white color. It is 4AC. Now again AC, AC, AC. This one is AC. So it will be minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 and along with AC. Now BC. This one is BC and this one is BC. These two are BC. Now 4BC plus 2BC. It's very simple. It will be 6BC. Now again AB. This one is minus 3AB. This is 2AB. So it can be written as minus 3 plus 2 and AB. Now others are simple. Minus 3a square minus 2b square and minus 4c square. Now minus 3 minus 4 both will of same sign, so they will get added. It will be minus 7ac plus 6bc. Now minus 3 plus 2 different sign will get subtracted and the sign will be of greater one, that is 3 minus, so it will be minus 1ac minus 3a square minus 2b square minus 4c square. Now all are the like terms, means unlike terms, so it is the required expression. We don't need to go further and solve it because all are the unlike terms now. So therefore we have reached the final algebraic expression after subtracting this. So this is about the D part solution and we have completed all the questions of exercise 9.3. So exercise 9.4 will be done in the next video. Thank you so much.